Turkey has a lot of blood in it.
That's what meat has blood in it.
What?
I'm doing my video. Just put her down, put her down, put her down. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do, Mama. Barbecue wings and fries. Because Salty had the barbecue, what's it called? The barbecue sauce and nothing Chick-fil-A. My bad. You have to fry it and make it. You want to roast it? Mama made big chicken. Auntie, I can cook better than Auntie. Yeah, I said. That's a lot. No, it's not. It's not a lot of seasoning. Because watch, when you put this junk in your mouth, you're going to be like, all I just had to put it in there. Mom can always. It's like this.
Oh, I did not hear you.
He lying. Why you got an attitude? Treasure. No, why you gonna turn off the light in the hallway? Oh, now you want to do it. Treasure. Oh my God. I just have to season it. I just have to season it a little bit.
You hear that? It's running now. just ran through a cycle, guys, and it works. How cool is that? Hey, thanks for watching the video. Just to recap what was going on, my daughter a couple days ago said the dishwasher had stopped working. Now, previously, when my dishwasher stops working, I throw it away and I go get a new one. But with the advent of Google and there's so much information on the web, it's very easy to find the information that you need. Also, I suggest if you don't have a pile of money laying around, I mean, it's good for the economy to buy new washing machines every few years, but if, you just don't have that money, it's best to buy a popular brand, the basic model that will do the job. That way there 5-6 years down the road, when a component wears out, that component will be easily found, easily accessible. Most likely they will still be making that part, or there will be a stockpile of those parts available, and they will be relatively cheap. The drain pump I found was on Amazon, and I was able to get it in 2 days shipping. So I think the dishwasher broke on Wednesday, and on Friday night I had it fixed. So basically, as you can see, all the parts are located underneath the dishwasher, and I really didn't even need a diagram. Everything was laid out relatively spaced apart, and then the drain pump, I think I found it within a few seconds. I mean, it was just right in front of my face. As far as removing it, again, very, very easy to do. Just be careful because you're dealing with plastic components. Matter of fact, I don't think that dishwasher weighed more than 25 pounds. I did remove the upper rack on that dishwasher, maybe not required, but I removed the 2 racks. Very important to unplug the dishwasher before you're working on it and ensure that there's no leaks. Now, how did I know to put it in service mode? I went on the internet, I looked up the make, the model, I put in service manual, and as you can see, it popped right up, and it showed me exactly what to do to put the machine in service mode. When you're in service mode, you're able to cycle through all the different components, which is helpful in troubleshooting. If you listen to the sound of your appliances, especially when you start the dishwasher and then you stop it and then you try to start it again, it goes through this drain cycle. It's a very distinct sound. So when I put the dishwasher in service mode and I turned on the drain, I commanded the drain pump to run, there was a hum and not that draining sound. So most likely I was like, yeah, it sounds like the drain pump is not running, and it turned out to be the problem. So guys, the next time your dishwasher breaks or one of your appliances breaks in your house, more than likely you should be able to find that appliance information about the appliance to fix it. A word on microwave ovens: they are so cheap. I've found out that it's just best to go get a new microwave oven. They last relatively long, 15-20 years, right? At least 10 to 15 years. And my microwave oven recently went out. I tried to fix it, but I found out that I could get a brand new one for, I think it was a little over $200. It was definitely under $250. So something like your microwave oven, it's probably best just to replace it. But dishwashers, I don't know how much it costs. I'm gonna have to look that up. But dishwashers, washers, dryers. Don't get the expensive models, just get the basic models. Dishwasher, washer, dryers. I'm not sure about refrigerators. But other than that, yeah, the video is about to end. I think I said enough. And yeah, the voices in the background, I mean, that's what happens when you have kids, you know. I have cartoons playing in the background, the 2-year-old baby talking, my daughter was making dinner, I had my niece, would be my niece over? Not my niece, I guess maybe my niece, my ex-wife's sister's daughters. Who is that? And then my kid's daughter was over too. So yeah, family full. But other than that, yeah, I'm about to end this video. If you got this far, thanks for watching.